Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for July 1 to 7, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading. So let's see, Virgo. Anong ganap sa inyo ngayong week na to? July 1 to 7, first week ng July. For Virgo. Overall energy is the Mother of Cups. So you are taking care of yourself this week. Maaring ang focus mo ngayon, yung kalusugan mo. You are, kumbaga mas magpo-focus ka sa healthier lifestyle, practicing self-love, self-care. Yung iba naman, kung kayo ay buntis, no? Mas lalo nyong aalagaan yung sarili nyo. Or kung merong buntis sa family ninyo, you will also, put your attention, focus your attention sa anyone na buntis sa family. And also creativity, no? Yung iba sa inyo, you're going to be more creative this week. Marami kang ideas. Your challenge is the Tower. Okay, unexpected. Ano to? Ano tong unexpected na to? Seventh house. Oo, sa relationships, partnerships. Mamaya clarify natin yan. What is the opportunity? You have the Eight of Wands. An opportunity, I feel like you're going to be very busy this week. Marami kang kailangan gawin, asikasuhin. So, yeah, kailangan rin. Hindi porket busy ka, wala ka ng oras sa sarili mo, no? So, laging kasama yan. Kumbaga, isama mo yan sa itinerary mo. Isama mo yan sa mga routine mo. So, your blessing is the High Priestess. Very heightened yung iyong intuition, yung instinct mo ngayon. So, yung iba sa inyo, Virgo, can be a bit emotional this week. Yung tipong may mga bagay na gumugulo sa'yo, gumugulo sa isip mo. Maaring yung iba sa inyo pwedeng mag-overthink this week na especially if you are parang you want things to be perfect, okay? So, kumbaga chill lang, no? Easy lang. Kasi kapag lagi kayo nag-overthink or parang you want things to be perfect, baka ma-disappoint lang kayo o kaya naman ma-frustrate lang kayo. So, that will just create some stress. What is the Mother of Cups? The Empress. Uy! May pregnancy talaga rito. The Empress tapos Mother of Cups. So, of course, hindi naman ito mag-resonate para sa lahat, no? So, case-to-case basis yan. So, some of you, merong pregnancy. Maaring this week, kung hindi nyo pa alam, tas buntis pala kayo, malalaman nyo na. But if you are already pregnant, or meron sa family nyo na pregnant, take care of them, no? Yeah. What is the Tower? Oh, the Devil. Ah, my God. Virgo. So, some of you, yung iba may mga unhealthy habits dito, no? So, kung may mga health conditions or health issues na kayo, iwasan nyo na yung mga hindi makakabuti para sa kalusugan ninyo. Okay? Kasi pwedeng, gisingin ka ng universe na, oh, ang kulit mo ha, o sige ito. Biglang magkakasakit ka lalo, 'di ba? So, ganon. Yung iba kasi nahihirapan na mag-quit sa inyong bisyo, no? Kahit anong bisyo to, na alam mo naman na it's not giving you anything good, no? Pwedeng sugal, alak, babae, lalaki, at kung ano-ano pa na alam nyong unhealthy sa inyo. And also, as an overall energy, you are also being productive ka rin ngayong week na to. Marami kang gustong gawin, marami kang pwedeng gawin. But like what I mentioned kanina, you have to be careful asikasuhin mo yung sarili mo. So your opportunity is the Father of Cups. I feel like there is someone rin naman na who is supportive of you can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, na handa kang alagaan. Let's see. What is the High Priestess? You have the Seven of Swords. Nako. So, as a blessing, no, merong revelation. Meron kang matutuklasan about someone in your life na hindi maganda yung intentions niya towards you. Kasi this is your challenge eh. No? This can be a Capricorn, a Scorpio, or Aries. No? But can be any sign. Parang ano to, meron siyang hindi magandang intentions towards you. I don't know kung ano bang issues ninyo ng person na to. But this, kumbaga, that is your protection. Malalaman mo yung intentions ng tao na to para maiwasan mo na. Yung iba sa inyo, ano to eh, mararamdaman nyo agad. Yung iba nasa mga panaginip nyo. Parang may mga signs na you have to avoid this person. Mararamdaman nyo agad yan. Na parang may something dun sa person na yun na kailangan nyo iwasan. Sa money, career, finances, you have a decision to reconsider. Meron ka raw naging decision sa trabaho, career, or business mo na kailangan mo i-check ulit kung tama ba yung decision mo. And when it comes to your career, yung mga goals mo, yung iba sa inyo magsusulat. Isusulat niyo yung mga goals niyo, yung mga gusto niyo ma-achieve sa buhay. The unknown brings wisdom when explored. So, maaring meron kang i-explore na new interest mo, no, sa career, trabaho, sa business, na pwedeng magpasok to ng pera sa'yo in the future. You have the Hierophant. Yung iba sa inyo, merong mentorship, may learning, pwedeng mag-aaral kayo, magre-research, mag-enroll kayo sa mga courses. You have the Five of Cups and the Ten of Wands. I think ito yung missed opportunity ninyo before na siguro pinalagpas nyo, hinayaan nyo na lumipas. Pero ngayon, I think you are trying to have this opportunity again. Parang susubok ka ulit. Pero this time, paghahandaan mo na siya. Kahit mahirapan ka, gagawin mo talaga yung best mo para maging successful ka dyan. Lalo na kung nandyan talaga yung interest mo. No? Sa love life, forgiveness. Nako, ayan na nga ba eh. Iba sa inyo, maaring may patatawarin. Oo. If you are dealing with someone na pwedeng ito yung person na yan, na merong kalokohang nagawa sa'yo, lying, cheating, yung iba sa inyo, mabilis kayong mapaamo, no? Oo, lalo na pag talagang mahal na mahal nyo. Yung iba sa inyo, patatawarin tong person na to. You may be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, healing agad, And the Six of Pentacles. I think, nagkaroon to ng pag-uusap, yung parang compromise agreement na, okay, sige, patatawarin kita sa isang kondisyon, 'di ba? May mga pinapangako. So, just make sure na itong taong to, pag binigyan niyo ulit ng chance, make sure na, gagawin niya yung pinangako niya. Okay? Feeling tied down or frustrated. So, ayun na nga. Maaaring may mga times na mapufrustrate ka dahil doon sa pag-overthink ng iba sa inyo, no? Danger, especially in money matters. Uy, so this is also another sa inyo, parang you have to pay attention pagdating sa spendings ninyo sa pera or anything na related sa money transactions ninyo. Maging attentive, focus, no? Kahit sa mga online transactions, no? Minsan kasi magsisend tayo ng pera tapos mali pala yung account number, di natin din-double check, tapos good pala yung account number na yun, sa iba na punta, yung mga ganon. Okay? Recognition, reward for merit. So sa work, sa career mo, marirecognize yung iyong hard work. Birth or conception of a child or enterprise. So some of you, Virgo talaga, this is a confirmation na meron talaga ritong pregnancy or manganganak. Okay? This can be you, your loved one, or any member of the family. Some of you naman, kung wala naman ganun, this can mean a new business, a new career na magsisimula. Okay? So, let's see. Final message. Beauty. Today, you are a curator of beauty. You are blessed with moments that let you know beyond a shadow of a doubt that all is well in the world. So, I think you're seeing the beauty in life, no? Kahit na may mga challenges, still, dun ka humuhugot ng inspiration sa mga magagandang bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo. And of course, you have to pamper yourself. Self-care is a necessity, not a luxury. Yes, taking care of yourself. Okay, so that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.